Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Vita Mahjong for Senior. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone. Tap play to start the game. When the game begins, you will see the trials track on the screen. Each tile has a picture like flowers, circles or bamboos. Your goal is simple, make two tiles that look the same. But there is one important rule, you can only match tiles that are free. A tile is free when nothing on the top of it and last one side is open. If the tile is blocked on both sides, you cannot use it yet. To play, just tap on the tile, then tap the matching tile. If they match and are free, they will disappear. Keep matching tiles until the board is clear. If you feel stuck, don't worry. Vita Mahjong is made for senior and is very helpful. You can tap the hint button to see a possible match. You can also tap shuffle to mix the tile. There is no timer, so take your time. You can play slowly and relax. If you make a mistake, tap undo, go back one move. As you play more, you will unlock new boards and beautiful designs. And that's it. Now you know how to play Vita Mahjong on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.